Everyone, and welcome to this demonstration on how to safely and effectively use colored contact lenses from Eye Candies. Washing your hands is key. This helps prevent any bacteria from transferring to your contact lenses, so make sure you thoroughly wash your hands first. When you receive your order, you are provided with a lens case and 2 jar containers. There is an indication on the container of where you should pull up the tag and gently peel off the metal parts. You should always fill up the contact lens case with fresh solution. The most important part of when applying contact lenses is making sure that they are on the right side. As you can see in this video, the left hand side shows that it is inverted and the right hand side shows the correct way of how the contact lens should face. The edges should be smooth and round. If you struggle with inserting contact lenses, gently use 2 fingers to open your eye and then place the contact lens in. If this traditional method does not work for you, Eye Candies includes a free applicator tool for you to have the easiest application, especially if you have long nails. Don't worry if you didn't pay full attention to this video, there's a leaflet with instructions in every order for you to read at your own pace. And there you have it, and we hope this demonstration has helped you. Happy shopping on Eye Candies!
I grab right from the false lash and tug. Obviously this is just for demonstration purposes. Don't go tugging at your lashes. Hi there, my name is Nilo. I am the founder and the CEO of Nilo Cosmetics, and today I'm going to share with you how to use my sticky eyeliner pen. This product is going to change your lash life forever. You no longer need to use traditional lash glues. You no longer need to use magnetic lashes. All you need is this liner pen. It comes in 2 shades, clear and black, and any lash on the market, and you're good to go. Okay, so step 1, what you're going to do is go ahead and shake the liner pen. When you're ready to apply, just do one eye at a time. Alright, so there we go. I've applied it to one eye. Now I'm going to pop on my lashes. So I'm more of a apply the lashes with your finger kind of girl, but let's try it with a tool today. This is out of my comfort zone, but I'm going to show you how nice sticky liner works, because it helps to be a guideline and the lashes just like stick on. What I recommend you do to make sure your lashes are on secure and the adhesive bonds with the lash band is you're gonna go ahead and just press the lashes together, as well as gently press the band against the adhesive eyeliner. That way, once it completely dries, your lashes are not gonna move, the liner's not gonna move, nothing's gonna budge, nothing's gonna smudge, and you're set. As you can see, I am pulling on my eyelid and the lashes are secure.